Hi, welcome to my channel Green World Investor, a one-stop shop for personal finance advice for beginners. So what is the date today? It's 6th of March already. And as soon as March arrives, there's a different jitter in the air because investors are very restless of investing in different tax instruments so that they can claim a deduction of income tax from their taxable income. So in today's video, we are going to talk about the March tax season, how and why we can take advantage of different provisions of the Income Tax Act, which all instruments we can invest in and get an exemption of tax from our taxable income. So all these questions we are going to take up through this video. We will also I will also point out some of the prominent investment instruments which you can take advantage of at the last minute. So what are you waiting for? Tune into the video till the end and you will get answers to all these questions. So with the March season around, people are in another frenzy कि पैसे कहाँ डालें, किस में डालें, क्या करें, कहाँ टैक्स बेनिफिट है, क्या मिल रहा है, क्या सेक्शन 80C, 80D, 80CC. So there are a lot of questions in the minds of people who are at the end, waiting to invest in their sum of money to get the benefit of tax. So I am no different. I have burnt my hands in the past. और फिर इस ऐसे कंडीशन में क्या होता है ना, when you're the most vulnerable, then these salesmen take advantage of your ignorance and your vulnerability, क्योंकि अब आप एकदम end हो गया है, because March is the end of your financial year और अब तो आपको invest करना ही होगा, otherwise it's like a do or die situation. So these some of these salesmen will take advantage of this condition, this scenario, and will force you to invest in uh, different useless financial products, I would say, which are very low return and very risky, such as ULIPs and many other, which are very low in returns. But if you can plan your investments in the full year, throughout the year, तो ये एंड मिनट की हसल एंड बसल से भी आप बच सकते हो, एंड यू विल ऑल्सो एंड अप मेकिंग अ नाइस इन्वेस्टमेंट पोर्टफोलियो, जिसमें कुछ फिक्स्ड इनकम हो सकता है, कुछ रियल एस्टेट इन्वेस्टमेंट हो सकता है, कुछ आपके लाइफ के साथ इंश्योरेंस हो सकता है. सो देयर आर so many options which you can consider, very thoughtfully made up of, and which you can take advantage to save taxes also and to have a nice investment portfolio also. For instance, many of you must be knowing of the Yes Bank 81 bonds, which were, later they were marked as, the value was marked as zero. लेकिन पहले it was being touted as as a very safe investment option, as safe as a fixed deposit, and salesmen were selling them to investors, prospective investors, saying that it is similar to a fixed deposit. लेकिन बाद में पता चला कि they were very highly risky bonds, and so many people lost their life savings through such a scam. So the whole purpose of my channel is to save the investors from such snake oil sales people, and that is what I strive to do, कि आप पूरे साल में जिन्होंने हमने इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया है और अब हम एंड में हड़बड़ाहट में कहीं, घबराहट में कहीं इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं, कभी हम, इफ हमारे को ऐसे कोई सेल्समैन से हमारा पाला पड़ गया, तब तो हमारी नैया और डूब गई, पैसे बचाने के बदले आपने और पैसे खो दिए. So the whole purpose of this video and this channel is to make my viewers more, financially more adept, so that they can plan their investments throughout the year, and abhi bhi late nahi hua hai. If you follow these investments that we are going to discuss right away, you will end up having a nice diversified portfolio, which will also get you the benefit of income tax exemption under the various section 80s of the Income Tax Act 1961. So I hope you will I hope you will enjoy the video. Please also share it with your friends and colleagues who can. So March tax saving 2023. how should you go about it? So first of all, let us talk about section 80C. आपने बहुत सुना होगा section 80C, section 80C. So what is section 80C? So section 80C of the Income Tax Act of India 1961 helps a person to invest their a sum of money in different investment options, different investment schemes, which will help them claim a deduction of up to rupees 1.5 lakhs from their total taxable income. And this deduction is available only to individuals as well as HUFs, Hindu undivided family, and not to corporates or other partnership firms and such entities. So only available to individuals as well as HUF. Individuals may individuals, their spouses, their dependent children, their dependent parents, brothers, sisters, and HUF may all the members of the HUF. So this is the basic criteria of ATC. Now what all comes in ATC, क्या क्या आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, कहाँ कहाँ आपको कितने कितने की टैक्स की सेविंग्स होगी. सो लेट्स सी. सो ATC में क्या क्या कवर अप होता है? यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन ELSS schemes, you can invest in PPF, you can invest in EPF, you can invest in different NSC, SCSS. Also you can invest in tax saving fixed deposits. Then comes your life insurance premium. तो आपने जो life insurance premium दिया है, up till 10% of the principal amount of the sum insured, you can claim a deduction of that amount for schemes that were issued post 1st of April 2012, and up to 20% of the insured sum if the scheme was issued before, taken before March 31st, 2012. And also, you taken a housing loan, then you can claim a deduction on the payment of the principal sum towards the housing loan amount. So this was all in ATC, where you can get a benefit of 1.5 lakhs in a total of whatever you are investing. Then we have the National Pension Scheme, NPS, wherein an investor can claim a deduction of up to rupees 50,000, but it is separate from ATC. It comes under ATCCD. Then we also have different health insurance schemes. So an investor can also take advantage of health insurance scheme under section 80D and claim a deduction of either 25,000 or 50,000. There are different scenarios which you can look up. So you can claim a deduction of a maximum of 50,000 for you, yourself, your spouse, your dependent children, parents, and for an HUF, the different members of the HUF. Also, there is another section called 80DD. If anyone in your family is suffering from a disability or severe disability, then you can claim a deduction of up to 75,000 of the medical treatment expenses that you have paid, or in case of a severe disability, that is disability of 80% or more, you can claim a deduction of up to rupees 1,25,000. So these were the different health insurance uh, schemes that you can avail benefit of for your tax exemption purpose. Then we also have the LTA. Now many of you must have heard about LTA. It's called the Leave Travel Concession Allowance. So what is it like? So as the name suggests, it is an allowance that is provided by the employer to the employee for traveling while he is on a leave. तो इसमें क्या होता है, इसमें आप दो जर्नीज के लिए ये एग्जेम्पशन क्लेम कर सकते हैं इन अ ब्लॉक ऑफ 4 years. तो आपको अगर जैसे अभी आज 2023 ईयर जब शुरू होगा FY 2023, तो 23, 24, 25, 26 4 years के ब्लॉक में आप अगर आपने 2 जर्नीज की है, तो आप अपने ट्रैवल एक्सपेंसेस यानी कि बस फेयर, रेल फेयर या एयर फेयर क्लेम कर सकते हैं फॉर यू एंड योर फैमिली, अगेन स्पाउस एंड डिपेंडेंट चिल्ड्रन. So that was all about LTA. And also LTA can be claimed in case of only domestic travel. That is only covered as of now. Then you can also take the benefit of housing interest on housing loan. जो आपने अगर परचेज किए हाउस या कंस्ट्रक्शन करवा रहे हो, and if you have taken a loan for the purpose, then you can claim a deduction of up to rupees 2 lakh as interest payment towards your housing loan. So that is also one. That is why I have encouraged my viewers in earlier videos to invest a certain portion of their money in real estate also. Because अगर आपने real estate buy की है या आप construct करवा रहे हो, तो फिर आप उसमें बेनिफिट ले सकते हो हाउसिंग लोन का, और ऑल्सो जैसे हमने एटीसी में देखा कि आप उसमें अगर आप प्रिंसिपल पेमेंट भी पे कर रहे हो तो फिर उसमें भी आपको डिडक्शन मिलता है. सो दैट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ having a real estate portfolio in your whole overall investment portfolio. So that was all from my side. Also note that all these provisions are applicable to the old tax regime, but in new tax regime this does not apply. सो आई होप कि आपको थोड़ी इंसाइट मिली हो इस पर. इट वॉज अ वेरी basic video in which I covered the major heads. If you're interested, you can look at different sections. So what all we have covered? We have covered section 80C, section 80D, section 80DD. We also spoke about LTA. We also spoke about real estate loans. So in all these different scenarios, how can you take benefit of the most? The गवर्नमेंट हैज अलाउड अस डिफरेंट प्रोविजंस. अगर आपका हेल्थ है इशू है तो आप उसमें ले सकते हो, अगर आपने कंस्ट्रक्शन करवा रहे हो तो आप उसमें ले सकते हो. बस ध्यान रखें कि ये सब जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हैं दे आर नॉट लाइक फ्री फॉर ऑल. जैसे कि ईएलएसएस में अगर आपने पैसे डाले तो उसमें 3 इयर्स का लॉक इन है. वैसे ही अगर आपने टैक्स सेविंग एफडीज में डाले उसमें 5 इयर्स का लॉक इन है. अगर आपने एससीएसएस में इन्वेस्ट करना है तो आप सीनियर सिटीजन होने चाहिए. तो हर किसी में कुछ ना कुछ फैक्टर है which is holding us back to invest. But agar if you are comfortable in the overall scenario, then you must study all these provisions and make the most of it before the year end. So happy March season, happy tax season for 2023. I hope you make some nice investment choices for which you reap the benefits in the ongoing years as well. So that was all from my side. Thank you for watching. Bye. Have a nice day.